How to send stars on Facebook Live. Facebook Live is a feature on Facebook that lets you broadcast live video in real time to your friends, followers, or the public. Today I'm going to show you how to send star on Facebook Live. At first open your Facebook into your device, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Once you are in, at the bottom tap on Watch option. It will show you different options. Here at the very top there will be option called Live. Tap on that. You can watch whatever lives you want to. Just tap on that. If you want to send star at the bottom left here you can see that little star icon, tap on that. You can send 99 stars for 99 cents. You can choose from the bigger one also. Select the amount of stars then tap here. That's it, that's how you can send stars on Facebook Live. Thank you for watching.